Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 4. Today is Monday 22nd March 2021. Our topic is numbers and arithmetic operation. We are going to do page number 6 and 7. We will do some sums. Okay. Remember we have learned about numbers and arithmetic operations and place values. Here you can see boys. These are the place values. This is a 9-digit number. We have placed it from right hand side to left hand side. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So now we are going to do some sums where we have some numbers and we have to put them in the place value chart. Then we will write their number name. Okay. Let's start it from an activity. The question is write the given number in words. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit numbers. So we have written unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and million. These are also 7 places. Now you can see boys, I have written 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 3. So it is 3 million. Its name is 3 million. So we will write here 3 million. T H R double E 3 M I double L I O N S 3 millions. Okay. Now boys, you can see this is a 9-digit number and I have written the 9-digit place values. So you have to start writing the digit from here, and this sum you will do by yourself because we are doing activities, so you have to do some sums by yourself. Okay. Here boys is another question. Write the figures with correct spacing. This is 10,900,000. As you can see, it is written 10 millions. Okay. So we have to make a place value with 10 million in it. And here you can see unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Now we will start writing our number. As it is 900, we will write 100 at 9, so it means there is nothing after it. 0, 0. 10 millions means in 10 million place it is 1 and all the other digits are 0, 0, 0 and 0. So you can see here, yes, it is 10 million and 900. So now here we have to write the number with correct spaces. 3 digits from the right hand side are 900. Then on the thousand place is nothing, so 0, 0, 0. On million place is 10. So our answer is 10,900,000. Next sum is 9 million. You have to make a place value chart and do it yourself. So after doing activity wise, we will write exercise 1A and we are going to do question number 6. That is, write the given number in words. This is a number and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 place values. Now, boys, we know that on 7th place value is million. Here is million. Okay. So what we are going to do, we will write under the sum unit, tens, hundred, okay, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and it is million. So now we are not making the place value chart but just writing the values over here. Okay. So it has saved our time. Now what we have to do, we know that it is 1,289,056. So we will write SOL over here and we'll do our solution. So here I will write SOL first, okay, SOL, and I will write 1 million, ONE1, MILLION, million, 289,000, we will write TWO2, HUNDRED, 100, EIGHTY, 80, 9 thousands, 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 and 56. So boys, here we have a number that has 8 digit. What we are going to do, we will write over here unit, tens, hundred, thousand, okay, 10,000, okay, 100,000, million, and 10 million. So now we know this number is 10 million. So 2 tens and 7 ones, so 27. 27,389,100. We will write this number name, okay? So let's start writing. SOL 27,000,000 TWENTY 20 SEVEN 7 million 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 389,100, okay?